Hey everyone, getting generation errors in Pika AI. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Pika AI generation problems step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the video generation process. Next, review your prompt. Unclear, overly complex, or restricted prompts can sometimes prevent Pika AI from creating a video. Try simplifying your prompt and adding clear details about the subject, movement, and style you want. If the generation fails, refresh Pika AI and try creating the video again. Temporary server issues can sometimes cause errors. You should also check your account credits or usage limits if your plan includes generation restrictions. Make sure your browser is updated and clear your cache if Pika AI continues to behave incorrectly. If an uploaded image or video is causing problems, check the file format, size, and quality before uploading again. Finally, try using a different browser or device to see if the issue is related to your current setup. And that's how to fix Pika AI generation errors. By checking your prompt, connection, files, and account settings, you can solve most generation issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.